Hello all, let's learn commenting in Java. So basically what is comment? Comment are those statements that is written to explain the Java code and makes more understandable. So comment in Java are not executed by the compiler. So while running the code, so if you comment the line with single line comment, a double line comment, then it will not get executed. So here in Java, we do have two kinds of comment. One is single line comment and another one is double line comment. So with regards to a single line comment, we can give two forward slashes and it will comment that line. But let's say if you have more than like one line, right? Let's say like 10 lines and 11 lines, it is very hard to give like every line with double slash. So here comes the double line comment in that case. So what does double line comment does is we just have to give forward slash asterisk at the beginning of the code, and whatever, doesn't matter if it's like more than 10 or 20 or whatever it is, you just give asterisk and slash at the end, the way you wanted to comment, then that section will be block comment. So all this code, like after the slash, the whole sentence on the same line will be commented, whereas like in the block comment, whatever comes between this, right, the slash asterisk and the closing asterisk slash, all this text or code will be ignored by Java. Let's see this in action. Let's say I do have a piece of code that I've written to what it does, right? And I want it to get block comment. So let's see this in action here. As stated earlier, I'll just give forward slash asterisk at the beginning, and I'll just give asterisk and closing forward slash at the end. I did it here. So as you can see here, there is no any error in the code, and it gets commented. So similarly, let's go with a single line comment. Here, let's say system.out.println. I just copied this, paste it here, and let's say this is test. I'll just write I'm learning Java. Comment, right? So let's say I don't want this line number 8 to get executed. So in that case, let's say I'll just give two forward slashes in the front, and let's try to run the code. Oh, here, as you can see here, earlier this line number 8 was running, but since I put the comment using two forward slashes, it gets ignored by Java, and only the line number 9 is getting executed. So this is what is commenting in Java with a single line comment and the double line comment. This is something that you can do within the code itself as well. If you forget, what you can do is, let's say I'll ignore this for a while here, and again the error is popping up. So what you can do is highlight the code. You just go to source here, and as you can see here, if you do toggle comment, it will just do single line comment for all the lines, and if you do add block comment, it will just do the block comment. So let me click add block comment here, and as you can see here, it is done. Thank you.